Hello, sir. I'm Jaros Marcaida Mateo, and I live in Capistrano Complex, Gusa, Cagayan de Oro City. I am currently 21 years old and a student in Capital University in the College of Engineering, first year mechanical engineering. So, I am, as a person, I like to explore, learn, and understand things. And so far in life, I've achieved not that much. I graduated from regional science and I like to participate in journalism. I also served a 2-year mission in our church, and that's how my achievements are so far. But currently, I would like to achieve more in the future. And that's uh, quite part of my answer in the first question. Why do I want to become a mechanical engineer? So, being a mechanical engineer means so much more to achieve in one's lifetime. As because I am interested to learning how stuff works, and I want to explore how to create one and eventually help other people. So I think it's something that could help me grow as a person. And how do I see myself in 5 years? I think I'm still pursuing the career, but I also have another sideline, but still happy with the job that I have. But I think I will balance both mechanical engineering and other interests that I have. That's all, sir. Thank you.